In this video, I'm going to show you how to add or remove dark mode shortcut to the control center. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up settings, then scroll down for a bit until you find control center. You can get into it, and now there you can find two different sections. The first names included controls. There you can find the shortcuts that are already at control center. And the second one is more controls. From here you can add any shortcut right there and it adds it to the control center. So now here you can easily find dark mode shortcut, and in order to add it to the control center, all you have to do is right here tap at that plus sign. And now you can swipe down from the top right hand corner to bring up control center, where right here you can find the dark mode feature. You can hit on that to toggle it on, or hit here again to toggle it off. Also, right here at control center settings you can change the order of that shortcut. So you can hold down on these three lines and drag this to any position that you want. I can place it right here, and now if I open up control center, dark mode icon, as you can see, has been moved to the very first position. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.